Hi everybody, welcome back to the countdown. So I believe it's day 18. So today I made an angel, and here is the example. I picked this because she had it in different colors and I thought they were really, really cute. And this is what I made. And I wanted to use different color yarn. Like I think this is yarn for like a baby blanket, but I think it fits. It's so cute. And I thought it was really, really nice that I made one for someone else. This person in my life lost someone they love dearly this year. So I made them like a little angel so they can put on their tree in honor of the person that they love. Now, I didn't have as much of the top color yarn, so I just added some more with like blue and pink. But I thought it came out really nice too. So I'm going to give this away. My song suggestion for today is Ave Maria. And I think I chose the Celine Dion version because I think that's my favorite. So I'll put the link for that below. And the movie suggestion is Heaven Sent. Heaven Sent is actually a Christmas movie about a couple who randomly have this little girl pop up in their lives. And yeah, it's really cute. Okay, so we're going to day 18. Oh no, so it's day 19 because day 18 was yesterday. So day 19, I was wrong. Let's see. Day 19, you already guessed it, a little egg. All right, so that was day 19. So now I know for the advent calendar, we need day 19. So let's see what day 19 is. Oh, it's one of those longer boxes. So that's what it looks like. A little candy cane. I didn't buy any candy canes. I should buy some candy canes. Ooh. Okay. So this is what we got for day 19. Yep. Let's see what the description is for this. Stitch holder. The small size of the stitch holder is ideal for holding stitches while knitting, collars, or cable patterns, and preventing stitches from falling off while your project is not in use. So, so it's just like kind of like a stitch mark. It's a stitch markup. I guess this is the point you use to hold the stitches. Yeah, so that's what was in the calendar. I hope you have a wonderful night and enjoy the rest of these videos because we have a few more before Christmas. Bye.